Hello everyone, welcome to Jess Quick News broadcast today. I'm Jess from J. Huxtello iTech, here to give you the latest and most important information to guide and protect your income. Today's topic is crucial, especially for those of you who are transferred teachers or returning from. The latest development is a new policy stating that if you are not captured on any nominal roll for a particular month and you seek arrears for that month, you will not get it. What this means is that you must be listed on the nominal roll of the management unit where you worked for that month. If you're not captured, it's considered that you did not work in any management unit in the country. Now, what does this imply? If your salary is validated and successfully paid, there's no problem. The issue arises if your salary did not come for that particular month and you seek arrears. As part of the process, your management unit is supposed to print the nominal roll for you to attach to the application. In this scenario, nominal rolls are submitted monthly and copies are kept at the Controller and Accountant General's Department, the Ghana Education Service, JES, and other relevant levels. If your management unit prints out a nominal roll for you to add, assuming they did not include it previously, it may not align with what was already submitted for that month. There are several reasons why you may not get a salary for a particular month if you are validated as missing staff. For example, transfer teachers. When you move to a new station, if your management unit does not take action to include you in their nominal roll, your previous school will not consider you as part of their roll, and your current unit might not add you immediately. This lack of communication can lead to you not receiving your salary. So, what should you do? When you arrive at a new place, it's your duty to inform the school administration to include you in their nominal roll immediately. This will prevent any issues with your salary and ensure that you receive your arrears if necessary. To sum up, if you want to ensure you receive your salary and any arrears, make sure to follow these steps and communicate with your management unit promptly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more important updates and information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.